Yo, what's up, Here are some of the things that came in yesterday, a couple of PlayStation 5s, and the rest of the dunks from last video. We have Dunk Low Bronze Eclipse dropping today. Now this is going to be pretty impossible. I'm not expecting to get anything, being that the stock numbers will be under 1,000 for the website that I'm going for, but I'm up for the challenge. Wow, nothing's working. Oh, I got one. I got two, what the heck? Finally. Oh. Those two orders got cancelled, man. Dude, I haven't gotten cancelled on foot sites in a long time. Alright, I did really bad. Basically, all the bots that I ran did exceptionally well, but I just did horrible, I guess. But it's okay, you can't win them all. However, we are now waiting on Maniere Jordan 1s. Now, this is a really important release, and I don't think bots are going to be working this time. However, I am going to try to go for 2, but let's not get ahead of ourselves here. Even if I get 1, I would be super duper happy with getting these Jordans. But anyways, let's get into it. What the heck? Ooh, website a little bit slow. Come on. Oh, Jaws, my boy. So slow on this one. Oh, I think I took a L. 8 minutes, dude? Bro, that's what I get for being too greedy. Sheesh. Yo, this is not cheap. 225? Damn, our team 8, dude. Our team 8. Well, just sitting here now, I guess. Dude, 3 minutes isn't really a long time, but feels like a really, really long time right now. 1 minute. Come on. Come on. What the heck? Dude, how long is this minute? How long is this minute? You said a minute and then less than a minute. Like, okay, here we go. What? I have to soft capture again? What do you mean? Bro, don't tell me I'm re-queued. I got one, let's go. That's a long plane. Am I gonna get re-queued? It's sold out. Please, 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 please. Please, please. Processing. pretty quick. Usually these collab sneakers take a while to come in, but these came in 2 days ago, so I got them super fast. This packaging, so nice. Beautiful box. Let's see how the shoes look. Okay. I see now what they mean by cracked leather. I wonder what these would look all beat up and stuff like that. Honestly, it's a beautiful shoe, and in fact, I was thinking about keeping a pair for myself. However, Jordan 11 Cool Grays are going to be releasing hopefully this year. Hopefully it doesn't get delayed any longer, and I'm planning to keep those as a personal, and I don't want to own too many personal sneakers. So if I really had to pick between the two, I would definitely go with those. So that's why I'm just going to be selling both of my Maniere Jordan 1s. Also, here are some of the other stuff that came in the mail recently. Here we got an Xbox fridge. I think it's pretty dope. At one point these were selling, or they were listed for around $600 to $800, which is absolutely nuts. For some reason, I was part of the delusion thinking that they were actually going to stay that price, which is more than the retail price of the actual Xbox itself. Still, it is a little bit profitable, but not anywhere near as profitable as it was. And also got this VR headset. Thanks to the notified deals section, I was able to get this headset for basically $100 off, which is definitely an excellent deal in my book. Maybe we will see some virtual reality live cops. That would be crazy. However, I would be concerned that maybe I click on the wrong button and end up copping like 100 bricks. But as always, both my wins and my failures are for your guys' entertainment. So that would be pretty funny if I did end up copping something that I absolutely didn't mean to as a result of trying to bot using VR. We got some very bad news. So the first thing is that Virgil Abloh has passed away from cancer. He was the founder of Off-White and the artistic director of Louis Vuitton. Virgil is definitely one of the most influential people in the luxury streetwear world and just fashion in general, to be honest. And it's just really sad to see him pass away so early in his life. He was age 41, definitely an untimely death, and man, he was going through that in secret. As far as I know, nobody really even knew he had cancer. Rest in peace to Virgil, man. Definitely something none of us expected. And another very tragic death was Burgers Kicks. In case you're not familiar with him, he's a content creator. He does these funny videos on Twitter, basically expressing his thoughts on some of the drops that he's went through.
We absolutely fucking destroyed. Cyber went fucking crazy. That was what Cyber did. And then we had Mac go, and then we had no other bots do anything for me.
And he also did live cop videos similar to me.
I hit on Cyber! Cyber!
Processing.
Oh my god! Cyber! I know I can always rely on
Cyber destroyed!
He got into a car accident and unfortunately he did not survive. His death in particular hit the reselling community especially bad because this is someone who just wanted to make people happy, sometimes even at his own expense. He always publicly stood up for his friends. He always checked in on people just to make sure everybody was okay. And he was just such a selfless person. It's a little bit hard to believe that he's just not with us anymore. But I know he's in a better place now, and my condolences go out to his friends and family. I'm sorry to just drop this on you guys. I know this is not something that you guys like come to see, but it absolutely 100% deserves a mention. I know it's just going to feel weird trying to just like go through the rest of the releases in the video, and you know, that's okay. And I know Ricky would want me to just keep my head up, try to be as happy as possible and keep moving forward. So that's what I'm going to try to do. Rest in peace, Richard Bergstrom. It was an honor knowing you. It was an honor working with you, and I'm just really blessed to have had you in my life. few days ago I got a couple of Air Force Ones on Supreme. Very happy about that. I thought that my billing profiles were just banned permanently, so I was very surprised that I was even able to get these and they shipped, so here they are. I managed to cop these from a shock restock using the locks. Now over the past week there have been a bunch of shoes dropping, but I've just been passing on all of them. Like, these are shoes that I really don't care about. For example, Swarovski Air Force Ones, Yeezy 700s. These are just gross in my opinion. Yeezy 500s I also passed on. Honestly, this isn't a bad colorway. However, after the performance of the other Yeezy 500s that dropped, I don't remember when these dropped, but all I know is that the resale prices for those were very underwhelming, so I just decided to pass on these. And the Maniere Jordan 1s, I did go for those. However, they only dropped on Nike sneakers, and I haven't had a chance to adjust my setups for Nike's new anti-bot measures. However, it is something that I am planning to do real soon because I do want to hit a lot of the upcoming Jordan 11s, and I need to get as many of those as possible. So hopefully I can get that sorted before then. We have Yeezy 350s dropping today. These are rumored to be very limited, so I'm not really expecting to get any of them. So the goal for today is to get at least one of them. Personally not a huge fan of this shoe, but it is new, so maybe I'll change my mind when I get them in hand if I'm able to cop. So the first drop should be in about 20 minutes. Let's see how it goes. Size 10.5, I'll take that. Now everything I get in addition to this is just going to be a bonus. Hopefully I get another one. Man, when is Yeezy supply actually gonna drop? When they say sale is live, like, that's a lie, dude. Oh, pass splash. Oh, I have one carded on Prism. What? What just happened? Oh, I got one! Bro, so many pass, but like, what the hell? What's going on? Oh, I'm probably gonna hit on Wrath. Let's go. Size 11.5. Man, what's going on? I can't hit on that. Can't hit on Toru either. Just got another one on Wrath. Okay, it's out of stock. Bro, that was fast. According to some of the Notify members, this was an easy cop. Some people got 19, some people got 20 pairs, a lot of people got a lot of pairs. But it did go out of stock very quickly, so this is a release that I'm definitely happy about. They didn't really pull any BS other than the fact that the sale started a little bit late, but overall the release went crazy smooth. So I have 4 of these so far. Not a bad result. There should be a few more releases coming up at 10 AM EST. Yep, I was a little bit slow on that one. Oh well, still pretty satisfied with the results, so it's not really that big of a deal. And they are in. Very fast shipping by Packer and Yeezy Supply. Did get 4, and the last one is in my other address, so I didn't get a chance to get that one yet. But anyways, let's see how these look in person. Not exactly my cup of tea. I guess if you wear it, like, it doesn't look so bad. It's just because it's like flat, you know, But wow, the inside of this is actually super soft. I don't mind it. Not crazy about it though. I bet this would be really comfortable though. I wonder how this would fare in comparison to the Yeezy 350s in terms of like comfort level. If you managed to get one of these and you decided to keep it for yourself, let me know in the comments below. I'm definitely curious about that. And we also got this that came in, the AMD Radeon 6700 XT. I also got the 6800, but that one is also at my other address. These graphics cards are like crazy difficult to get, but I did manage to get a couple. Anyways, this weekend we do have Jordan 11 Cool Grays and we have foam runners. If I'm not mistaken, they are going to be dropping on the same day, so that's going to be super interesting, but we'll see how it all goes down coming up next.